In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add markers in CapCut PC the easy way so you can stay organized, match cuts to music, and keep your editing workflow fast and clean. Markers are one of those small tools that make a huge difference when you're editing, especially if you want to line up beats, plan transitions, or leave yourself notes while working on a timeline. And later in the video, I'll also show you a few quick keyboard shortcuts that can save you even more time. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open CapCut PC and load your project or create a new one. Once you're inside the editor, look at your timeline at the bottom of the screen. The first type of marker you can add is a global timeline marker. This is the one that stays locked to a specific point in time, which makes it perfect for beat matching or marking important moments in your edit. To add it, click on an empty space on the timeline so no clips are selected. This part is important because if a clip is selected, you may end up adding a different kind of marker instead. After that, move your playhead to the exact moment where you want the marker to appear. You can drag the playhead manually or use playback to pause on the frame you want. Once you're at the right spot, press M on your keyboard. CapCut will place a marker at that exact timestamp on the timeline. Now, when you scroll through your project, you'll see that marker sitting right there as a reference point. This is great when you're syncing visuals with music, planning where to cut, or reminding yourself where to add an effect later. Next, let's look at the clip marker, also called an anchored marker. This one works a little differently because it attaches directly to a clip instead of just a point in time. To do that, click directly on the video or audio clip you want to mark so it becomes selected. Then move your playhead to the exact frame or position you want to tag and press M again. This creates a marker that belongs to that specific clip. The big advantage here is that if you move the clip somewhere else in the timeline, the marker moves with it. That makes it super useful for keeping track of notes inside a clip, especially if you're rearranging your edit a lot. So if you want a marker that stays in time, use a global timeline marker. If you want one that stays attached to the footage, use a clip marker. Both are helpful, and once you understand the difference, CapCut gets much easier to manage. Now let's talk about a few quick shortcuts that can speed up your workflow even more. If you press Alt+M, CapCut instantly adds a marker and opens up a color choice, which is great if you like organizing different types of markers by color. For example, you can use one color for beats, another for text reminders, and another for transition points. If you double press M, it opens the customization panel for the selected marker, letting you adjust it more precisely. This is useful if you want to edit the marker after placing it. Then, if you want to move between markers quickly, press Shift+M to jump forward to the next marker. And if you need to go backward, press Alt+Shift+M to jump to the previous marker. These shortcuts can seriously improve your editing speed once you get used to them. A lot of editors skip markers at first, but once you start using them, you'll probably wonder how you edited without them. They help you stay organized, they make larger projects easier to manage, and they save a lot of time when you're reviewing or revising your timeline. So the next time you're editing in CapCut PC, try placing markers for beats, cuts, notes, and important moments. Start simple with the M key, then build up to the shortcuts as you get more comfortable. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.